Alright guys, I got a special video for you guys today because it is the first dragon trip of the year. And it's probably gonna be a super fun drive. Let's get into the video. What are you doing? Well, we finally made it to Boone. Here's my ride for the weekend. I'm gonna show you this thing more whenever we get in it and get all our stuff out of my car into this car. But if you can't tell, it's currently snowing outside, and I don't like that. And it's gonna be snowing maybe tomorrow at the Dragon too. So this should be an interesting weekend.
I'm awake and alive. Barely.
Vince's 22nd birthday was yesterday.
Too much walkie slush.
We're gonna have a good weekend, aren't we, Vince?
Yeah.
Dude, the lip looks so good. Do a little quick tire change here. Get this done real quick and then head on to the Dragon. So we just got here. It was a fun drive, but this cabin is actually super sick. Let me go in here. It is actually super cold outside, but look at this. It's 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, open living room, dining room, super nice area over here. Kitchen super nice. Another bathroom. A bedroom is like another bedroom right there. You go out here, there's a super nice view out there. That's gonna be so sick in the morning, but we are gonna go get unpacked. I've gotta edit some pictures for Haley. Vince has gotta do some homework, and then Hadley's coming up. And then we're gonna ride over to see all the V-dubs at the Fontana Village.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm excited. Dude, the cars sound so good coming up here. We were geeking.
The flutter of the turbos at the S1.
Dude, I'll put the video in here, but we did like a little like pool video right beside Vince, and Vince was freaking out. It was so great. But we're gonna get some stuff done and then we'll head over to the village.
Everything good?
No.
Well, if you guys can't see behind me, it's currently snowing outside. So we are just waking up this morning. It is freezing cold outside, obviously. It's snowing outside. About to go see if we can get the S4 fixed. Last night, if you guys didn't really understand what was going on, we were driving on the Dragon, and I was driving the S4, and Vince and Daniel were following me in the Jetta. Went around a corner, and as soon as I went around the corner, the whole steering wheel locked up, and it was all the power steering went out. I mean, a whole lot of malfunctions came up, and Vince has had this happen before, but it's been a loose terminal on the battery, so it is not that. We tightened all the battery terminals and everything like that, so we're thinking it's the battery again. Something to do with the battery, either the alternator, or the battery, a fuse, something like that. Something just was being overworked. So we're gonna go test and see if we can't figure that thing out so we can drive it today, because that would suck if we couldn't drive it today. If you guys want to see like when it happened, Daniel was actually recording us go around the turns and stuff like that, and you could see like when it happened. I like went into the other lane, like it was hard to turn, like it was a crazy experience. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna grab some breakfast, and then we are gonna head down to the Dragon to meet up with the rest of the Wookiees in the Woods crew and take some pictures at the helipad. So we'll see you guys when we leave for breakfast. Alright, so we're chasing down Vince right now. It is pure snowing, snow blizzard, and Hadley's window is stuck down. Look, Volkswagens are so nice, dude. What? Yeah, I got it perfectly. Oh my god, dude. We made it back. Does it still got codes?
Yeah.
Fudge.
I almost ate that.
So we have made it to the helipad. As you guys can see, it's freezing cold outside. It's raining, slowing, like slushing outside. It's very cold as an event.
Yeah.
Vince is not a happy camper. We think it's the steering rack, but it does suck that we were stranded on the Dragon last night. It really, really does. But, oh, I gotta turn the heat on. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna do more drone stuff, more picture stuff tomorrow because it is freezing cold out here. Oh, we're gonna take some pictures real quick and then we're gonna Fontana. There's a lot of Audi techs there, and so we're gonna hopefully have them look at the fuses and see if anything like that's blown. All right, guys, so we just made it over to the Fontana village where it's literally snowing outside still. And Vince found his favorite car yet.
You go to an R32 event and the first car you look at is an S4, like you haven't seen one or driven one or owned one.
I hope somebody's here to fix yours.
Dude, the lights went, all of the lights except for the steering went away.
Yeah.
There's
Really?
no battery light. There's no like assistance steering.
Hey, so maybe it just needs to sit a little bit longer?
I just probably need to kick the shit out of it.
Jesse's here. Jesse made it. He didn't get killed by the...
Johnny Tran?
Johnny Tran. He didn't get killed by Johnny Tran. Dude, that TTRS is beautiful.
Look at the color, dude.
The color's beautiful. The color beside it's way better, actually.
Yeah.
Look. So pretty. All right, we gotta go find our everybody's favorite car.
Okay.
Is this yours?
No, my favorite car. Let's take a stroll.
We'll take a stroll.
Give me a little follow. I'll
All right, give us
my
some
favorite car.
All right, go ahead and host real quick.
Oh, actually, if you turn around over here, there is this car that is lost in terms of identity.
Yeah.
They like to claim that they are part of the Wookiee fam, but it's really just a tractor. I don't know why it has a Volkswagen badge on it. It's really just a John Deere.
A John Deere, 100%.
Or a Kubota.
Kubota.
I mean, it's not orange, but orange is the new black, right?
Yeah.
So right here.
Oh.
Right here.
Look how big this exhaust farts so much. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're footing the...
Do you like this like layer of?
Oh
I will
my...
lick it. I will lick it.
How much? How much? No, don't lick your finger.
No way! Ain't no way! Ain't no way!
It's still freaking out. The drive up here was actually pretty fun.
It's really crunchy.
You need to drink some agua. You know what I really haven't seen here yet, and I'm really kind of sad? Aerodisc. I've not seen a single set of Aerodisc.
There's one.
Where?
Come here. Let's walk.
Really?
Yeah. You saw it, right?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, I missed the Aerodisc. Those are my favorite wheels ever. These wheels are hot.
As you can see here, we have found the Wookiee in the wood.
Oh, who's that?
Is that an S4?
Is that an S4? Is that a Jetta? U-Haul! U-Haul! Yeah, give us burnout! Give us burn! Yeah! That sounds beautiful.
Centrifugal supercharged R32, very rare.
That sounds amazing.
It's very
We're about to get ran over. Look at the Eurovan. This is actually super sick. Ooh. Dang, honestly, how it cleans the inside. Oh, dude. That's pretty nice. But I used to be a big Volkswagen fan back when I used to watch Crispies. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love Aerodisc. These are tight, dude.
Well, he has the roadies in the front.
Ooh, roadies in the front and the 1552s in the back. Yes. Yes. What do you think of this?
Wow.
What do you think? 1 out of 10.
I don't see a car over here.
Dude.
That's what you were talking
That's
I want these wheels. What wheels are these? Huh?
new speed.
I want these wheels. Look at the snow. This is hilarious. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's like...
This is what was behind you.
Oh, really? Dude, what is going on right now? Look at the snow.
Yeah, so
Clean your mouth out.
Daniel's in shorts, mind you guys.
like, okay, when it started snowing, like, it low-key got warmer.
Yeah, it did, definitely. Dude, it's way too cold to be walking around
Has
right now.
anybody seen the Daza Golf?
What the heck? Look at Vince, look how much snow's on. Let's go, ooh, let's get ice cream.
Oh yeah.
Vanilla. All right, guys, so we're walking around here a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it to a montage because I wanna get some sick footage in the snow, so hope you guys enjoy it. So what I think is the plan right now is we're gonna go back down the Dragon. It's still snowing a little bit. The showers are on and off. And so we're just gonna go make a run with the Dragon. I'm gonna drive, Vince is gonna ride with me, and then I'm gonna let Vince drive and I'm gonna ride with him some. So right now the steering rack and all the electronics is fine, but we don't know. We don't know how long that's gonna last. We don't wanna use it anymore if we don't have to. So we're just gonna hop in this car and run with it. We're gonna pop on the GoPro here in a second and get some first person driving for you guys. All right, well, let's do this. Dude, that's pretty sick.
Yeah, that's a nice color.
The green with the paint match wheels. So essentially guys, someone swapped a Golf R, right?
So they put the 2.5 Daza engine into a Golf R.
So out of an RS3 into a Golf R. It's pretty sick. All right, Dragon run number dose for today.
Dude,
Ooh.
it is a GT3 RS. Oh my god.
Oh my god, that was sick. It's so weird that we're doing this in the, oh, that was pretty. Dude, that was a pretty good lineup though. Ooh, that was cool. See, I love learning it.
See how second is literally the perfect gear?
Yeah, it is.
Here, you can go down the third.
Oh, Hadley got loose right there. This is my favorite turn right here, right that one. The dip down left, yeah.
When we go back, can I drive it and you ride?
Oh, of course.
I wanna show you some stuff.
I feel like regular traffic right now. Oh man, I love the Dragon so much. It's not like the road's okay. The road's actually decent at best, but it's the experience,
the
atmosphere, being around other people like it, being around civilians. But it is a really well kept road. I mean, there is a few parts that get kind of sketchy, but like, it is a really fun road. And a lot of people know about it, and so that's why it's fun. It's the sketchy thing about it.
Hell yeah! Woo!
I give that like a 3 out of 10.
Damn. Oh, we'll have you one day. Yeah, we love it, man. Ah!
It's a red 318. That's my old car right there.
On the road again.
This is so fun.
This is awesome. What an awesome weekend. Oh my God, it's loosey-goosey.
Give gas.
I am. So gas right here, a little bit. Hold it. Out. Love it. It's like a controlled chaos.
Yeah, it is. It's controlled chaos.
Yeah.
That's why I love it.
You gotta do it for the clip, baby. Gotta do it for the clip.
Gas now.
Ooh, a little late, but it'll be all right. We're learning. I got the teacher with me. That was fun.
Dude, I love this. This car, like.
This car is actually really fun.
Yeah.
Honestly, you should probably keep it. One of the Killboy shots. So you never heard your car outside before?
I have not.
All right, Vince. Vince is gonna do it.
Well, just go down there and then turn around. I just want to see you full sending it.
Oh boy, don't say that to
Oh.
tractor sounds.
I don't think I like that.
She's gonna go get her exhaust worked on for the 17th time.
You know what? That's bad. That's so bad.
All right, how's it sound?
It doesn't sound good, I must say. You can hear it right now.
All right. Oh God.
Oh. I don't like it.
Oh my, that sounds atrocious.
It sounds really bad.
It's so loud. It's so loud. Oh my gosh.
You're done.
You're done. All right, so it's go time. I'm riding with Vince now, and I'm gonna try to hold the camera. Let's do it. Crack the window a little bit for you. Get some nice sounds. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna put this hand in. Okay. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's no way Hadley's catching us now. This is awesome. Holy crap, we are moving, boys. Dude, you need better seats to hold you in.
Ooh, we're slipping.
Oh, baby. Dude, that's quick, dude. That's pretty impressive.
That was one hell of a run.
That was super fun, dude. Awesome, dude. Oh my God, that's probably the fastest I've been on the Dragon. That was pretty fun, dude. But like the whole time, there was only one time.
It was that one turn we kept going straight.
Yeah, we kept going straight, but like even then I was like, okay, but we're still not gonna hit the wall.
Yeah.
Like, I never felt like I was gonna like die. Buddy been hitting the dragon a little too hard lately. Jeez.
With a sandpaper.
Hadley, how was that run?
Not good.
Daniel, how do you feel being passenger?
I mean, it takes a lot to scare me, so.
He looks so scared. Look at him. He's breaking a sweat right now.
So we are doing the famous MCPG challenge right now. It's where you go to a certain point. We have to set the point so y'all can do it too when you come to the dragon. You go the speed limit until, let's say,
That right there. That's
That sign?
right there.
this sign right
What's the speed
here.
limit 30.
Yeah,
I'll
30.
Speed up to 30.
And then you put it in neutral and you gotta coast the whole time. Speed limit, cars in neutral.
Cars in neutral.
And you gotta make it all the way to the lodge. It's pretty fun. Because you don't want to brake too much, you don't want to brake too less. Because there is some slow sections that are actually pretty funny. Oh! That was I got.
I almost turned into a statistic on a t-shirt.
Alright, so I think we might make it. This is a pretty good run. There is a spot where you get kind of slow, so. It's real slow. This is where it gets real slow. Look at the road, it's so flat.
We're walking, bro. No!
Yeah, we have more momentum than you.
Oh no!
Back off, Buster!
Back off!
She's on her tail! Do the little pushy push.
Come
Come
on!
on. It's okay, we're almost to the downhill. We're almost. Oh no.
It's not looking good. It's not looking good.
Oh, we got it. We're good. We're good.
We're good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
They're pushing back there. Oh my god. Alright. Here's the last turn. Here's the last turn. Don't milk it. Don't milk it too much. Don't milk it too much. Hold it. Hold it. Yep.
Let's go. Let's go.
I've made it to like right. See, dude, you might make it. You might make it. Ryan made it to that corner, that hard corner right there. This might be it. It might be the $20 sign.
Oh heck no. Oh heck no. We're going.
Oh, we're done. We're done.
No, we're good.
We're done.
We're good. Oh no. No. No.
You made it. You made it in here, so we're good. That's a new record. That was sick.
Woo.
Sir, I love your car. Well, it's my time to drive the GTI, so wish me luck. Oh, go back to the video. We just got lunch. It's all a really pretty wagon.
Peasants. Slow. They wish they had this car.
We made it to the damn Daniel. Damn. Hey, go stand right there, man. Go stand right there. Nice. Brother, what are you doing? Brother, what are you doing? He's out here, thumbnail. Huge TJ fan. Damn. Hit him with it. Hit him with it.
Nice.
Let's get it. Gravity cabby.
Oh Lord.
Scooting though.
We are scooting. Oh Lord.
Well guys, that is going to be the end of our trip here at the Wookiees in the woods. So we had a lot of fun. Vince, his S4 is running once again pretty well. So we're going to head down to Asheville and get us some lunch and then head back to Boone. Should be a good time. Should be a great time. Vince, are you going to miss the thing?
Yeah, sure.
But guys, if you liked today's video, leave a like and a comment. I love coming and doing these dragon trips. It's a lot of fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed them too. So we're gonna head back to town now, and I will see you guys in next week's video.